Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and type here File Explorer. Click here to open it. On this window, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now scroll down and open System32 folder. Again scroll down and open this folder, then etc folder. Now right click on host file, copy it, then go to documents and paste that file here. Go back, then right click on it, select show more options, again copy it and paste that file on the desktop. Now right click on it and open with notepad. Follow these steps, save this file and close it, and drag and drop that file on etc folder. Now close this file. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.